What is Web 3.0 and how it will change the world? What is Web 3.0? Tim Berners-Lee, who created the WWW or World Wide Web, originally referred to Web 3.0 as the semantic web and saw an intelligent and self-sufficient internet that employed AI and machine learning to function as a global brain. It's been challenging to build AI that can translate human language, mainly because of the high cost and difficulty of interpreting it into machine-readable code. What is the Web 3.0 traits? The semantic web is a term used to describe new internet technology that makes it easier to find what you're looking for. It focuses on understanding words instead of search terms and can help people make connections across various sources of knowledge. Web 3.0 will be the next evolution of the World Wide Web and is powered by machine learning, artificial intelligence, NLP, and more. With better content responding to the user's needs, it will change our daily lives, for the better. This article shows how IoT can help to connect devices and applications, enhancing life with new capabilities. The possibilities are endless and can be achieved with the use of semantic metadata. Anyone has access to the Internet of Everything and all data is efficient to use. RPOW gives you the choice of interacting with others publicly or privately. Because RPOW doesn't utilize a third party for your transactions, you are in charge of your own privacy. 3D graphics are already becoming an integral part of e-commerce, virtual tours, and computer games. Malware can improve people's participation by making it easier without requiring any authorization. The malware is not authorized to perform this operation though. It is applicable to metaverses, a limitless, virtual environment that can be presented in 3D. Blockchain games have an advantage in that you can give users true ownership of digital assets. This application uses zero-knowledge proofs and more secure personal data to provide digital infrastructure. Blockchain technology is giving way to new, transparent, and efficient ways of doing finance. From peer-to-peer digital transactions to a flourishing industry of cryptocurrencies and smart contracts, this new tech is bringing about a financial revolution. New site, Autonomous Decentralized Organizations. The community owns the ADO platform, not just a few people. What are the benefits of Web 3.0? Web 3.0 is the next step in web development, and it offers a number of benefits. The first benefit of Web 3.0 is that there are no data breaches. With the introduction of blockchain technology, there is not one single point of failure for data storage and management. This means that no one can access your data without your permission. Another benefit is that you have complete control over your information on the internet thanks to the blockchain technology which powers Web 3.0. You can decide who has access to this information and when they have access to it, as well as what they can do with it once they have accessed it. You also get more privacy thanks to this new web platform because you are able to control what personal information you want to share with other people or companies online and when you want them to use this information, as well as how much personal information you want them to see at any given time. How does Web 3.0 work? Web 3 is a new web that is decentralized. It has no central servers or data centers. The Web 3 network will be made up of individual users who are connected to each other via peer-to-peer protocols. The Web 3 network will be made up of individual users who are connected to each other via peer-to-peer protocols. This is in contrast to the current internet where data flows through centralized systems like the server, which can be easily hacked and disrupted by government censorship and shutdowns. The goal of Web 3 is to create a more open, transparent, and secure internet for all users around the world. What is Ethereum and how does it work? Ethereum is a decentralized software project running on blockchain technology. Ether is the crypto token of Ethereum and fuels these smart contracts in their system. Ethereum is a digital technology that is secured. It can be used by anyone, and they can even exchange it for any tangible good if they want to. In addition, the token design has been kept very user-friendly so it can be used as a payment system in various cases. Ethereum is a trusted blockchain that maintains a high level of security and decentralization. This makes it useful for creating new blockchain-based services that may change how many industries operate. The software is designed to support smart contracts and decentralized applications, meaning you can use it with other emerging technologies that are becoming popular in the financial sector. In conclusion, web development is a field that will continue to grow in the future. The future of web development is bright and will be a job opportunity for many people. The future of web development is clear, and it's all about the Internet of Things. The Internet of Things will continue to grow, and with it, so will the need for web developers. The future of web development is bright and will be a job opportunity for many people.